Hello everyone, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today I will show you how to replace the button cell battery inside your Europa key, the small key light that helps you see the lock in low light. These keys usually use an LR1130 or 389A button cell. Let's get started. The tools you would need would include LR1130 or AG10 or 389A battery cells. You would need them in two numbers. All of these are compatible to this particular key. You might also need a small flathead screwdriver, a nail file or an opener. You also need a clean cloth. So the optional would be tweezers. Since I didn't add any of these, I had to go for a small safety pin. On most Europa Light keys, there is usually a tiny notch or groove for opening. You will also see a small plastic cover on one side of the key head. So this is the first thing in identifying the battery compartment. And just in case if you don't see any cover, the key may have a screw. In that case, you will have to unscrew it. So this is the tiny notch that I was referring to. You will have to open the key using this tiny notch or groove. So you should see the battery compartment. You will have to remove the old battery. You might see a couple of button cells. These are with the LR1130 model. Use your fingers or tweezers to lift it out. Observe the polarity. The flat, shiny side is the positive. The bottom side is the negative. Now carefully lift the old LR1130 cells. Remember how it was placed. The positive side faces upward. I have purchased a couple of LR1130 button cell batteries. It costed me around 60 rupees for button cell. So I will have to take the new battery and insert it inside the key. So I will have to insert it in such a way that the positive side is facing up unless the key shows a different marking. We should also make sure the battery sits flat and snug. So looks like there was a leakage in the terminal and I was unable to see any light when I tried to test it initially. So I cleaned it up using a small cloth and the same safety pin. Once everything is set, place the new battery in the slot with the positive side facing up. Press it gently so it fits properly. I tested the key and I was able to see the light afterwards. You will have to align the cover with the slot. Press until you hear a click sound. Now align the back cover and press it firmly until it snaps into place. Make sure it's fully locked. Press the light button on the key. The LED should glow brightly now. Now let's test it again. Press the button and your Europa Key Light should now work like new. The Europa Key Light usually supports LR1130, AG10 389A, SR1130W or silver oxide longer life. All of these physically fit. For best brightness and durability, 389A or SR1130 is preferred. Just as an optional, if the light doesn't work, rub the metal contacts with a dry cloth and clean the contacts. Ensure there is no dust inside the compartment. And that's it in today's video. Your Europa Key Light is now working again with a fresh LR1130 or 389A cell. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mithun Diaries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.